Greetings and welcome to another post timeline video. In this video, I'll show you how to create a timeline that uses dates in AD and BC instead of regular dates. So let's get started. So over here, we have a timeline that shows a list of events which happened all the way from 100 BC to 2020 AD. So let's see how you can create a similar timeline. Let's head over to the WordPress dashboard, and under the post timeline plugin, we'll click on tags. And over here, we will create a tag that reflects a date in either AD or BC. As you can see, I've already created some tags here that go from 100 BC to 2020 AD. So now let's create a new tag and call it 2024 AD. And then click on Add New Tag. And in this way, you can also create multiple tags as well. Now, once the tag is created, you can rearrange the tags by holding on this icon here and then dragging it wherever you want. And in this way, the order of the dates will be arranged in your timeline as well. So now once the tag is created, now let's assign it to a post. Let's go to all timeline post. Here I have created a post for the 2024 AD tag. Let's click on edit. Now scroll down here and then we'll select the 2024 AD tag. You can also create a new tag by using this link over here. Once that is done, let's click on update. And now the tag is assigned to the post. Now we need to create the timeline. So let's head over to the post timeline dashboard and click on generate shortcode. And on this window, we will select the post timeline in the post type option. And the most important option is the select tag type one, where here we will select the tag based option. And we can also choose the order as well, from descending or ascending. And then you can also change the colors of your timeline by using the UI tab over here. And once you're done, click on insert shortcode. And the shortcode will be generated. Copy it. Now let's create a new page to add the timeline. Once we're on this page, we can insert the shortcode. On a side note, you can also insert the shortcode by using the post timeline shortcode generator. But for the time being, we'll just use the code which we just copied. So let's paste the shortcode here. Save this page. And now let's click on preview. And as you can see, our timeline has been created. And the 2024 AD tag has also been added here at the very end. Now, if you want to shuffle things a bit, you can do so by going to the tag section back on the post timeline plugin. And you can rearrange the dates if you want. For example, let's move the 2024 AD tag right at the top. You will get a notification that the order has been rearranged. Let's head back to the timeline and refresh it. And as you can see, the 2024 AD tag has been moved right to the top. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.